Hola y buenos dias. Welcome to the Daily Word Builder. Today you can learn unas frases that are really good fun to use si tú eres una persona ocupada. Shall we begin? The first one, just say, soy una persona ocupada. Maybe somebody's asking you to get something for them. Can you find this? Can you do that? Soy una persona ocupada. Then we'll move on to things that are un poco más complicado. Por ejemplo, I don't even have time to scratch my head. Bueno, scratch my head would be rascarme la cabeza. Bien? So how do you think I don't have time to scratch my head? How do you think that'll sound? No tengo tiempo para rascarme la cabeza. And then if you want to get that idea of even, they're going to use that with this little teeny weeny word, ni. No tengo tiempo ni para rascarme la cabeza. Right? And then maybe you want to say, I'm up to the neck with work. Well, neck is cuello. C-U-E-L-L-O. C-U-E-L-L-O. Cuello. And the word for work is trabajo. Hi ho, we're off to trabajo. So, to say I'm up to the neck with work, you say, estoy hasta el cuello con trabajo. Soy una persona muy ocupada. But it doesn't have to be permanent. You can say no. The word for selfish is egoísta. No es egoísta decir no. So if you are a very busy person and somebody asks you to do una cosita más, you can say, I have to say no. I'm a very busy person. I'm up to the neck with work. I don't even have time to scratch my head. And that'll sound un poco como eso. Tengo que decir no. Soy una persona muy ocupada. Estoy hasta el cuello con trabajo. Y no tengo tiempo ni para rascarme la cabeza. So, I hope you've learned some frases útiles and a little bit fun to use si tú eres una persona ocupada. Hasta mañana. Adiós.